Hello, my friend. The last chance for you to grab this Christmas promo is here. You don't want to miss out on this property that they are offering Christmas bonuses for. I don't think anybody want to miss out on this. So this is the last chance for you to grab at least one out of the three properties that they are offering the promo for right now. Okay, so I want to quickly show you what you are missing if you have not purchased either of these properties right now. So the final days is here. Property bonuses is still on until 31st of December. So they are offering for you to buy a lake house, for you to buy a fraction of the lake house, and then you'll be given a bonus of 580k. And then if you purchase the commercial property in Phoenix, you'll be given 25 EST, which is equivalent to purchasing the lake house. If you buy a fraction of the LA land plot, you'll be given 312 EST, which is $3,120 that can afford another property in LA. So this is great. This is a sample picture of the lake house they are offering for only $250. And then you will earn the first 18 months, and then after the first 18 months, you begin to earn lifetime 10% on annual income basis. All right. So this is the first property they are offering the promo for. This is the second one. Second one is the commercial property in Phoenix. You will need about $10,000 to get this one. Okay. And then this one is the last one, which is the third one they are offering. This is the land plot in LA, which you can start with $51,310. This is great, and you can see your daily percentage that you are supposed to be getting from each of these properties. Okay, so the last chance for you to get this is now. Either you get the $250 worth of real estate, okay, the lake house, or you get the 10k worth of real estate, or you get the 51k worth of real estate. The choice is yours, guys. So for those that are looking to join today and purchase their first property, maybe you are considering to start with the lake house, which is the cheapest one, $250. The link for you to follow to sign up, register, complete your KYC, and then purchase your property is below this video description. All the links for videos on how to sign up, how to deposit, how to complete your KYC, how to purchase your property. Follow those links, sign up, and get started with e-estate. Make 2025 better for yourself, and then start 2026 with greatness. That is how we roll in e-estate. So I will see you in my team if you decide to join my team in e-estate. Thank you, and God bless.